Well, sabi ni Secretary Pete, I can say a few words. Rob, thank you for the most wonderful reaction to the most wonderful speech of Attorney Vic Rodriguez. To all those who had spoken their pieces, nakakakilabot at nakakapanindig balahibo.
Mga
Tapos,
trolls, pasok pa kayo.
Meron akong narinig na komento doon kanina. Kung ang panawagan ay Marcos resign, paano kung hindi mag-resign? Anong gagawin natin? Yeah. So, meron bang constitutional basis na hindi tayo ma-charge ng sedition kung ang isigaw natin ay hindi Marcos resign? Kasi sinabi na ni Attorney Vic kanina yung constitutional basis. Article 7, Section 8 ng ating saligang batas, binanggit yung mga iba't ibang instances na pwedeng magpalit ng Pangulo ng Pilipinas. In case of death, in case of resignation, in case of permanent incapacity, and removal from office. So, removal from office is also constitutional, but how? Para hindi maging seditious, there are two instances. First, yung gusto nilang gawin kay BP Inday Sara. Impeach and convict so that she will be removed. If you can do that to the Vice President, to the Ombudsman, to Justices of the Supreme Court, to the members of the Constitutional Commission, you can also do that to the President as we had done against former President Joseph Estrada. Hindi ba? Pero hindi gagawin ng mga congressmen yan eh. Hindi nila i-impeach. Hindi rin i-convict yan ng Senado. Kamali ng timing kasi si Ronald Cardema na paaga, no? Dapat sana naupo muna yung tatlong congressmen ng Duterte Youth Party List at ngayon sana pwedeng mag-file ng impeachment. So that's one. The other is under the provision of Article 7, Section 11. At binanggit ni Attorney Vic kanina yung Section 12, which is somehow corollary to the provision of Section 11. Ano ito? Ito yung una, if the President, if he is of sound mind, will declare that he is temporarily incapacitated, then he will write the Senate and the House of his incapacity. Pero gagawin ba niya yun? Well, perhaps he can, because Rob just said, we trust God. And if God's hands will play, he might write the Senate President and the Speaker of the House saying that he is incapacitated. And the Vice President becomes acting President. Hindi ba, Congressman Mike? Then he can make bawi. Sabi niya, no, I am now capacitated. So he can take back. But there is also another instance. If majority of the members of the cabinet say that he is incapacitated, then the Vice President becomes the President. So, sabi ng mga kasama ko sa table kanina, pwede ba, Attorney Lambino, sigaw muna natin, Marcos resign, Marcos resign? Sabi ko, okay yon. Kasi 3 weeks ago, yung UPI, ayaw nilang magbanggit ng Marcos resign. Hindi ba? Nagkaroon ng konting hindi pagkakaunawaan dyan during the first day of the rally. Maisog and the Reforma ng Pilipinas were in Liwasang Bonifacio, but you were already shouting, Marcos resign. And now, with the coalition of Save the Philippines, kasama na dyan ang Maisog, ang UPI, ang Reforma Pilipinas, PDP Laban, and all the other sectoral organizations, everyone agreed that the narrative now of this group is Marcos resign. So we are now on that stage, and we have agreed. That's why we are all gathered here. But if he doesn't resign, then we go to the next level. Ano yung isigaw natin? Ano yun?
We will
Sabi dyan, oh, nakalagay, oh.
rock you.
BBM, you are fired. Katulad ng ginawa nila kay Iis Bersamin. Did he resign? No. He did not resign. He was fired. So, we gave him that mandate. We voted for him. Attorney Vic said, nabudol tayo lahat. So we can now withdraw, and we are withdrawing that mandate. Then the cry would be, you are fired. And with that, tapos na yung paliwanag ko ng konti. So let's now raise our right hand and we recite together panunumpa sa watawat ng Pilipinas. Ako ay Pilipino. Buong katapatang nanunumpa sa watawat ng Pilipinas at sa bansang kanyang sinasagisag na may dangal, katarungan at kalayaan na pinakikilos ng sambayanang makadiyos, makatao, makakalikasan, at makabansa. Mabuhay ang sambayanang Pilipinas! Mabuhay ang mga Pilipino!
Buhay!
Mabuhay tayong lahat!
Buhay! Thank you, Attorney. Maraming salamat po sa napaka-inspiring words.
Attorney Raul Lambino, pwede na tayong umupo.
Okay.
Meron pa tayong mga ilang dapat gawin bago magdating ang alas 6.
Okay. Tito, pauna ko lang sa mga kasama nating mga vloggers at sa lahat po ng mga nagtitake ng videos. Meron po kasing topic dito mamaya na hindi po pwede. Actually,